My name's James Hollingworth. I work at Trafford and Stockport College Group in the construction department. I'm a plastering lecturer. I've been at the college 6 years. I bring my industry experience into the classroom. I feel it's really important to do so. Learners can get a really good insight to what they're going to be doing. They can make a more informed decision on what they want to do when they leave college. We use a lot of scenarios from my experience in industry. Any contracts or any renovation jobs that we've done, we can discuss in the classroom. We've got a lot of technology that we can display images just to help the learners visualise what they're going to be doing on site, so they can make the link between the classroom, the workshop and industry. Trafford College Group have got a really big drive on raising the skills gap in the local community, whether that's the next generation, 16 to 18-year-olds, or the adults in the community that wish to retrain in other areas. There's a lot of support around developing staff into where they want to be. So if they want to raise their profile or become a high-level teacher, the college will support them to get to where they want to be. So I think the uniqueness is the family feel of the college, the support that they offer, not just for the staff, their learners, for the local community and all external agencies that are involved as well. I found it very easy to transition from site into teaching due to the support that the college had put in place to help me get my level 5 diploma whilst I was working as well. So I came through the door as a technician, did a 0.5 role where I was teaching whilst I'm learning my level 5 diploma. The college have supported me and provided me all the work in order to get the evidence that I need, and that's allowed me to take a journey into teaching.
The teaching staff at Stockport College really help you in ways that you couldn't think of. Like the challenges they face on site themselves, they show you what happened to them and their past experiences, and they show you how to overcome them without being too overbearing, so you can still learn from your mistakes. Stockport College is the place to be at.
Trafford and Stockport College Group facilities are second to none. I've seen a lot of different campuses across the northwest, quite a lot down London and in the south as well, where they tend to be a little bit bigger. The construction areas that we've got here are absolutely brilliant. They're modern, they're up to date. They mirror what we do in industry. So we have lots of workshops that are laid out like a site would be, replicating the processes, the tools and equipment that we use in industry to help the learners develop the skills that they need. We don't have any individuals here who don't pull their weight. They all make sure that they're working hard, and we support each other to get to where we need to be. And it really does feel like we're all making a difference together.